Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on the Applied Visual Design course. We're going to learn how to use the strong tags to make your text bold. So we can use the strong tag and we can add it in the HTML. Let me move my face. We can add a strong tag to the HTML. And what that does is that it adds the CSS property to that element, a font weight of bold. So we can do this in the CSS or we can just do it in the HTML. And for this exercise, we can just do it in the HTML. We want to wrap a strong tag around Stanford University text inside the P tag, and we do not include the period. So we can see here in the browser, the Stanford University. So we have to look in the P tag, Stanford University, and we add the strong tag. So before this, we just put strong like this. And now we close it right after that. And that's it. Thank you.